guys, as usual, I'm going to give you a room tour. Come, let's go inside. Okay guys, so when you enter, you will see the living room right away. Okay, so this one is the working desk. This one is the TV, and this one is the dining table. Okay. And that one is the pantry, is where you can put all your snack. That one is the sink, and that one is the mini ref. Okay. So there's a very big mirror here, and this one is the bathroom. Let's go inside, guys. Okay. So this one's the sink, and that one's the mini TV. That one is the bathtub, and that one's the shower. Okay. And here is the toilet. And this one is the door going to the bedroom. Here's the bedroom. Okay, so here are the two queen beds, and those are the bathrooms. That one's the TV, and there's also a balcony overlooking the garden and the pine trees. Let's check it out. Okay. So here are the two chairs, and that one's the table. That's where you can have your coffee. That's it, guys, for my room tour. Thank you so much for watching. For our first day, we didn't do any activities yet. We just rested since it was a long trip. But we made sure we ate at our favorite restaurant here on our first night. It's at Le Chef at the Manor. And as expected, the food was so yummy. second day, after breakfast, I attended my online class and we did horseback riding after. It's just inside Camp John Hay, beside our hotel. Lucia loved it so much. She didn't want to get down the horse. For dinner, we ate at Chocolate de Batirol, which is one of the popular restaurants here. It is our first time and we love how it looks. The place is so pretty and the food was also good. for part 1, guys. We'll be back for part 2 for more adventures and fun in Baguio. Thank you for watching.